Hey y'all, it is your girl Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. So y'all, today I am going to be doing a cook with me video. I haven't done one in a long time. I think like since Vlogmas. The last time I cooked something and vlogged it, it was, dang, was it red beans and rice? I think so. Whatever video it was, I'm gonna put it right here. And I haven't done one in a while, so let's do a cook with me video. So today I'm going to be making wait, before I get all into all the details, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and comment down below what's your favorite meal you like to cook during the week. Now, so today I'm going to be making some pepper steak, mashed potatoes, and corn.
Nice.
It's something simple. I know that's two starches, but y'all, I have a taste for some mash, and I don't know why, but I do. So today that's what we're gonna make, and that's what's gonna be on the menu. So it's early, but I need to cook early so I can get things situated. So I'm gonna get started. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. All right, y'all, I cut up some onions, red peppers and green peppers, and I cut up my sirloin. So now we're about to get things started. I'm going to preheat this. All right, so we are going to take our oil, just a little bit, and then we're going to sear these vegetables. So once the oil gets hot, we're going to add these. While the oil is heating up for our veggies, we're going to start seasoning our meat. So I got some green seasoning here. So I'm just going to take 1 tablespoon, some garlic powder, some complete seasoning, some paprika, just a little bit, Worcestershire sauce, I like to add a little bit of mojo, so I'm just going to add a little bit of that in here, just a little bit. Okay, so now we're about to get things mixed up, and then we're going to go to the pot. Alright, this is how it looks. Oh, I also add just a little bit of soy sauce, the low sodium one. So, just a little bit. So now the oil should be nice and hot, so let's go ahead and add our veggies. Alright. So now we're just going to let the veggies saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, y'all, so the veggies are sauteed, so now we're going to add our meat in here. Alright, so I'm going to put the lid on it because it's going to start to spring up its own water, as you see. And then we're going to come back and check on it in about 5 minutes. Alright, y'all, so this is going to be my slurry. I'm sorry I forgot to record it, but it's just some water, some green seasoning that I added, some more garlic, and then I'm just going to add some flour. Alright, so I'm just going to let this slurry thicken up, y'all, and put a lid on it and let it cook for. Alright, so you're going to take your lid off now, and it's nice and thick gravy, and this is done. Y'all was too busy cleaning up, but now I gotta make the mash, so that's not gonna take long. So let's go ahead and do the mash. This is done, and make sure you turn your heat off. Guys, I ended up doing the mash off camera. I had some technical difficulties, but this is how the pepper steak came out with the mash and the corn. I have a YouTube tutorial already of how I make my homemade garlic mash, but I'll make sure to tag it down below in the description. And I really enjoyed this meal. It was so freaking good, y'all. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Comment down below what else you would like to see me make next. And I will see you guys next time. See you later.